Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we test the products, so you don't have to guess. Today, we're diving into a cordless UV nail lamp from V-Beauty Pure, the V-Beauty Pure cordless UV nail lamp in white. It's marketed as a portable, professional-grade LED curing light built for both salon use and DIY enthusiasts. So, does it actually deliver salon-level results without the cords in bulk? Let's find out. The product promises a cordless, lightweight UV LED lamp that's acetone-resistant, powered by 36 watts, and comes with 20 LED bulbs for even curing. It has 3 timer settings, 5, 30, and 60 seconds, and claims to last up to 10 hours on a single charge. You also get a universal adapter that supports 120 volts and 240 volts, which is helpful if you're traveling or working across different voltage regions. Using this in real life, the first thing that stood out? Setup is basically non-existent. Take it out of the box, plug it in if needed, charge it, and you're good to go. No complicated instructions, no app pairing, no nonsense. I tested this on both LED and UV gel formulas, and it handled both types cleanly. The 5-second setting is great for flash cures between layers, and the 30 or 60-second settings delivered solid, even curing with zero tackiness or undercured spots. What's really convenient is the cordless design. It gives you that professional mobility without dragging cables across your station or table. I used it during a full mani session and later tried it outdoors in natural light. No interruptions, no power dips. It really does feel like salon functionality packed into something lightweight. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: truly cordless and lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around or move between clients if you're a tech on the go. The battery life is excellent. I got just under 10 hours across multiple sessions before needing a recharge. It's acetone resistant, which sounds small, but if you've ever wrecked a lamp finish during cleanup, you know it's a big win. The curing is fast and consistent, thanks to those 20 evenly distributed LEDs. The 3 timer settings are intuitive and cover all the basic needs. Cons: there's no motion sensor. You have to press the timer button manually, which isn't a deal breaker, but it's a convenience you notice once it's gone. The lamp's arch isn't adjustable in height, so thicker nail extensions or longer fingers may require a bit of repositioning to ensure full exposure. If this review helped, or if you're into serious nail care at home or professionally, give us a like, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit that bell icon so other nail lovers can find this too. Is this review useful to you? Then help it reach the right hands. When it comes to value, this sits in the mid to premium range. For the price, you're getting a solid performer with long battery life, professional level curing, and durability. It's not cheap, but it's not overpriced either. If you're serious about gel nails, especially on the go, this holds up. Compared to others like the Melody Susie or Sun UV models, V-Beauty Pure holds its ground by focusing on portability and longevity. While some competitors may offer extras like built-in sensors or touchscreens, this one cuts out the fluff and delivers core performance. If you need a lamp with motion detection or a lower price point, you could look into the Sun One or Beetle's UV lamp, but be prepared to sacrifice cordless use or battery life. As for build quality, it's compact but sturdy. The white finish resists staining, and the buttons don't feel flimsy. The fact that it's acetone resistant adds to its durability, something you really appreciate over time when working with gel polish and cleaning agents. While I haven't had it long enough to test the full longevity, everything about the build feels reliable and designed for repeated use. I didn't have to contact customer support during testing, but V-Beauty Pure does carry a solid reputation in the nail tech space, especially among professionals. They've been known for consistent product quality and solid community engagement. So here's the bottom line. The V-Beauty Pure cordless UV nail lamp delivers on what it promises: efficient curing, real portability, and long battery life. It skips some frills like motion detection, but focuses on the essentials. It's best suited for nail techs and DIYers who value freedom from cords and need reliable performance, session after session. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to this product in the comments box below. Got questions? Already using this lamp? Drop your thoughts. We'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay polished, stay glowing, and keep your beauty game electric with Beautyistic.